In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a CSV file for Gmail. We're going to walk through the process step by step so that you can easily follow along and have your CSV file ready to go in no time. Whether you're sending out emails to a small group or a large list, creating a CSV file can be very handy. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open your Google Sheet. If you're not already using Google Sheets, it's a free tool provided by Google that's incredibly versatile and user-friendly for managing various types of data. Once you're on your Google Sheet that contains the information you want to use, we're ready to move a step further. Make sure the data is organized properly and the headings are clear, as this will help you avoid any issues later on when you use your CSV file in Gmail. Once you have your sheet open, move your mouse up to the top of the page and click on File. Google Sheets is designed to be intuitive and everything you need should be right in the menu bar. After you click File, you'll see a drop-down menu with several options. From here, hover your mouse pointer over the download option. You'll notice several file formats available. We're focusing on CSV today, but it's worth noting that Google Sheets allows you to download files in various formats for different uses. As your next move, click on the option that says comma separated values. Selecting this format allows the sheet to be saved as a CSV file, which is useful because CSV files are lightweight, easy to share, and can be imported into various applications and email services without much hassle. Your CSV file should download to your default download folder on your computer. Take a moment to locate the file before moving on. With your CSV file created and saved, the next step involves Gmail. You'll want to open your Gmail account by navigating to mail.google.com, http://mail.google.com, and logging in if prompted. Once you're in, look towards the top left of your screen and click on Compose. This option allows you to start a new email. Now, to attach your newly created CSV file, look for the Attach Files icon. It often resembles a paperclip, which has become synonymous with email attachments. When you click this icon, a window will pop up allowing you to browse the files on your computer. Navigate to where your CSV file was saved and select it. This action uploads your CSV file to the email, making it ready to send. And there you have it, you've successfully created a CSV file from Google Sheets and attached it to a Gmail email. This simple yet effective tool can greatly streamline your emailing process, particularly when dealing with contacts and data management. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're now equipped to create and share CSV files with ease. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to guiding you through more tech tips soon.